Okay. Hello. So audible na? Now? Audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So all of you noted this. Can I erase so that we'll see one example? Noted? Yes or no?
मॅडम ते आर 1/r क्यूब पर्यंत तुम्ही एक्सप्लेन केलंय त्याच्या
एक
पुढचं
मिनिट,
एक्सप्लेन
एक
केलेलं
मिनिट. मला
समजलंच
आवाजच
नाही.
येत नाहीये. Okay, 100. So what are you asking?
तुम्ही 1/r क्यूब पर्यंत एक्सप्लेन केलं मॅडम.
म्हणजे पुढचं हे एक्सप्लेन केलं तेव्हा
ते नाही
disconnect झालेलं
समजलं.
काय?
हा.
Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, no problem. So if this is clear, actually हे ओपन केलं की समजत नाही डिस्कनेक्ट झाले का नाही ते. Okay, so after that this term is becoming 0 here, right? This is 1/2 v into d bar, closed surface integral of v into d bar dot ds bar. This term becomes 0. Okay, this term becomes 0. So we can write this we is equal to minus 1/2 volume integral of this term only, that is d bar dot del into v into dv. Okay, now this we is equal to, we have to I'm taking this minus sign just inside, so I can write we is equal to 1/2 volume integral of d bar into bracket, I'm taking this minus side inside, so it is minus del into v into dv. Okay, now we know the relationship between potential v and electric field intensity E. So we have seen this relation. Okay, so this E bar is equal to minus del into V. E bar is equal to minus del into V. So this we is equal to 1/2 volume integral of, instead of this d bar and instead of this minus del into V, I am writing here E bar into dv. So also this d bar is equal to epsilon 0 E bar. We have already seen this d bar is equal to epsilon 0 E bar. So put here epsilon E bar only. So we is equal to 1/2 volume integral of epsilon 0 into E bar dot E bar into dv. So I'm taking this as E square. Okay, so this is the final equation for energy stored. So write down this. We'll see one example. Yes, so what? Okay, once you finish, tell me. Okay, can I erase? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll see one example. Find the energy stored find the energy stored in free space in free space in the spherical region r is less than equal to 10 for E bar is equal to minus 200 R into unit vector A bar R. Okay, into unit vector A bar R. So, solution. So, what is given here? What is given? Find the energy stored. Okay, so we have to find this WE in free space in spherical region. Okay, in spherical region, one sphere is there in spherical region for r is less than equal to 10, means its radius is r is equal to or less than equal to 10, and E bar is given minus 200 R into A bar R. Okay, so what is the formula for energy stored? We have just seen this energy stored is equal to WE is equal to volume integral of 1 upon 2 epsilon 0 E square into dV. Okay, now what is given here? E. This E is already given. We have to find this volume. Okay, so this, can anyone tell me what is volume here? dV. What can be the differential volume? Yes. Differential volume is given in Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system, right? So which coordinate system is given here? So what can be the differential volume? Anyone?
R square sin theta dr theta d phi.
Correct, correct. Okay, we are using here spherical coordinate system, right? We are using here spherical coordinate system. So for spherical system, this dV is equal to r square sin theta into dr, d theta and d phi. Okay, now we have to put all these values in equation of this WE. So this WE is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and this epsilon 0 also I'll take because it is a constant. Volume integral of, okay, volume integral of this E square. Now E bar is given, right? So when we are taking this E square, so this is E bar dot E bar. So E square, when we are taking its magnitude, okay, when we are taking the mod of E bar, mod of E bar again, so it is E square, means what? We are not considering the unit vector here. Okay, we are not considering the unit vector. Okay, E bar dot E bar, all of you getting how it is taken? Just wait, I will tell you. This is E bar dot E bar, okay, dot E bar. is equal to minus 200 r a bar r, right? Dot this minus 200 r a bar r. Now we are taking dot product of these unit vectors, right? So it is a bar dot a bar r dot a bar r is equal to 1. It means that there will be only this minus 200 r and minus 200 r. Okay, it means that it is nothing but your e square. We are taking only the mod, means magnitude, and dot product of unit vector is equal to 0 here. Dot product of unit vector is equal to 0. Okay, so this e square, now e is minus 200 r. So it is minus 200 r, it's a square. It's a square into dv. Now dv is r square sine theta dr d theta into d phi. Okay, so it is equal to this we is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2, or I'll write as epsilon 0 upon 2. Okay, I'll take this constant also outside. I'll take this minus 200 square, means it will be plus only. So it is, I'll take this as plus 200 square. Okay, into it, there will not be volume. I cannot write here. So because variables are changed now, right? So it is integration of this r square into r square, that is r raised to 4, right? Sine theta dr d theta and d phi. Okay, dr d theta d phi. And now I'll separate this. I will separately write these terms. Okay, so it is equal to epsilon 0 divided by 2, 200 square. Okay, 200 square into, I'll write this as integration of this r raised to 4 into dr. I'll first take the terms of this r only. Okay, so it is r raised to 4 into dr. Then integration for this theta. So the term is sine theta there. So it is sine theta into d theta, and integration for this phi of this d phi only. Now you have to tell me the limits. This r is varying from, yes, what is r? R is less than or equal to 10. Now, and this is what sphere. So what is radius at center? It is equal to 0, and it is varying up to 10. Okay, so r is equal to 0 to 10. Okay, limits I am writing. Now theta varies from 0 to pi, right? And this phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi. Now, so this we is equal to epsilon 0 divided by 2, 200 square. Okay, into now I'll directly write the integration. So it is r raised to 4. What is integration of r raised to 4? It is r raised to 5 divided by 5. Limits are from 0 to 10, right? Then for sine theta, it is minus cos theta, right? So it is minus cos theta, varying from 0 to theta, means pi, 0 to pi. And integration of d phi is phi, and it is varying from 0 to 2 pi. So just put all these limits here. So you will get we is equal to, and also put here now the magnitude, okay, of this epsilon 0. Epsilon 0 is equal to 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 divided by 2 into 200 square. Okay, 200 square. Then I'll take this 1 upon 5 here outside, and I'll write this as this is r raised to 5, and it is varying from 0 to 10. Okay, so this r is put here as 10 raised to 5 minus 0. Just put the limits. Then minus cos theta means this is minus cos pi minus again minus cos 0. So minus plus cos 0. Okay, then last term only, it is simply 2 pi minus 0. Okay, so everyone solve this and tell me the answer. What is WE? Just solve all this term. Completed. So here only formulae are required. Once you know the formulae, you can easily solve the examples.
Ma'am, 3.3442 into 10 raised to 19.
3.9 बघा जरा काहीतरी चुकते.
Okay.
0.044.
सॉल्व केलंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
0.044
50.
5 joules. Okay. Just check answer. Here that can be the mistake. Okay, so here our second chapter is over, and for ISC there are first 2 chapters. Okay, and today is your IS paper at 4:30 p.m. So everybody attend that paper. And okay, so no problem. You can just read whatever we have taken in class, and also notes are there. So So thank you all. Have a nice day. Thank you for here. We'll end the lecture. Thank you all.